In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a brand kit in Canva. By the end, you'll have a central place for your logos, colors, fonts, and voice, so every design you make looks consistent and on brand. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Canva. Click the official Canva link to go to the home page. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your workspace and saved settings. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and find the section labeled Brand or Brand Hub, depending on your interface. Click that to open your branding area. In the top right corner, choose Add New and select Brand Kit. You'll be prompted to give it a name. Pick something clear and easy to recognize, like your company name or a specific campaign, so your team knows exactly which kit to use. Inside your new brand kit, begin with logos. Click the plus icon to upload your files. Transparent PNGs or SVGs work best because they sit cleanly on any background and scale well. If you have multiple versions, like a full logo, a word mark, and an icon, upload them all so you can pick the right one for each design. Make sure they're high quality and properly cropped so they're ready to drop into projects. Next, set up your colors. Click Add Palette to create your color scheme and type in the exact hex codes for each brand color. This ensures perfect consistency across every design. Save your primary hues first, then add any secondary or accent colors you use regularly. Using official hex codes removes guesswork and keeps your visuals aligned, even if different people are designing. Now choose your fonts. Assign a typeface for headings, another for subheadings, and one for body text so your hierarchy is clear. If Canva doesn't have your brand fonts, upload your own TTF or OTF files. Keep font weights and styles consistent with your brand guidelines, and make sure you have the right to use any uploaded fonts. Finally, define your brand voice. Type a short description of your tone, something like professional yet friendly, playful but informative, or bold and confident. This helps Canva's magic write suggest copy that matches your style, making it faster to draft captions, headlines, and descriptions that feel on brand. Once everything is set, your brand kit will be available inside any project you create. Your logos, color palettes, and fonts will be right at your fingertips, so you can apply them with a click and maintain a cohesive look every time. You can revisit your Brand Hub anytime to refine or update these settings as your brand evolves.